Serenity Model with many upgrades in a resort-style community can be yours. Located in Beautiful Winding Cypress, a natural gas and dog-friendly community with 800 acres of pristine preserve. This 2-bedroom plus den with open floor plan features custom Hunter Douglas remote-controlled window treatments and wood plantation shutters, quartz countertops in kitchen and baths, impact glass windows, storm-smart hurricane screens on lanai, amazing outdoor kitchen with natural gas grill, natural gas stove in kitchen, extended lanai, security system, tile flooring throughout, maple cabinets in very private lanai area. There is also a 2-car garage with a professionally finished epoxy-coated floor. In the garage is a golf cart that may be conveyed with the property. Community amenities include a grand clubhouse, resort-style pool, sports courts, tennis/pickle